ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो
Namaskaram.
नारायणाय।
In this video, I am going to recite the Canto 3 of Narayanyam, The Suppliant Devotee. पठन्तो नामानि प्रमदभरसिन्धौ निपतिताः स्मरन्तो रूपं ते वरद कथयन्तो गुणगताः चरन्तो ये भक्तास्तवै खलु रमन्ते परमुन्नहम् धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगतः सर्वाभिलषितान्. O bestower of boons, I consider them as really blessed who repeat thy names until they are submerged in the ocean of bliss, whose minds unceasingly meditate on thy form, whose speech is ever occupied with the narration of thy deeds and excellences, and who, though always moving about without any fixed habitation, feel all their wants fulfilled by being immersed in the joy of that thou art. गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसबरेऽप्यनासक्तं चितं भवति बत विष्णो कुरु दयां भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवाहनं हम गायं कुहचन विभस्यामि विजने. O all-pervading being, bestow thy grace on me, who find that my mind, owing to the affliction of disease, feels no taste even for the intense joy of thy service. If thou art gracious to me and removest the distractions of this painful disease, I shall seek oblivion in some uninhabited corner of the country and spend my time ever immersed in the joy of contemplating on thee and of repeating thy countless names and attributes. कृपा ते जाता चेत किमिव न हि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीयक्लेशौद प्रशमनदशानाम कियते न के लोकस्मि न निष्मयी शोकाविरहिता भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिमसक्ता विधयते. If thou art propitious, what is it that man cannot attain to? How trifling it is for thy grace to eradicate all my ailments. Numerous are thy devotees who have approached thee without any desires and have been blessed with freedom from their worldly woes, as also with the blissful state of liberation. मुनि प्रौढारूढा जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्बोज स्मरणविरुजो नारद्मुखाः चरन्तीश स्वैरं सततपरिनिर्भातपरचित सदानन्दद्वैत प्रसरपरिमग्नाः किमपरम्. Great sages like Narada, having overcome all their early handicaps through contemplation on thee, and becoming established in the truth of the Sabul Atman, are moving about everywhere in complete freedom, ever immersed in the unabating and indivisible flow of bliss consciousness that the non dual Brahman is. What other state is there superior to this? भवभक्तिः स्फीता भवतु मम सैव प्रशमयेदशेषक्लेशौदं न खलु हृदि सन्देहकणिका न चेद्वच्चासस्योक्तिस्तव च वचनं नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्यारथ्या पुरुषवचनप्रायमखिलम्. May my devotion to thee become perfect. I have not got the slightest doubt that it will remove all my sufferings. For if it does not, the utterances of Vyasa, of thyself and of the Vedas too will indeed be no better than the casual words of street urchins. भवद्भक्तिस्तावत् प्रमुखमधुरा त्वदगुणरसात् किमप्यारूढा चेदखिलपरितापप्रशमनी पुनश्रान्ते स्वान्ते विमलपरिबोधोदयमिलन्महानन्दाद्वैतं दिशति किमतः प्राथर्यम् अपरम्. Devotion to thee is suffused with sweetness even at the beginning of its practice, owing to the influence of thy sweet attributes on it. With its progress, it removes all one's woes, and in its maturity, it awakens one from the sleep of ignorance and bestows the supreme bliss of non-dual consciousness. What else is there to seek for? विधूय क्लेशान मे कुरु चरणयुग्मं धृतरसं भवत्क्षेत्रप्राप्तौ करमपि च ते पूजनविधौ भवन्मूर्त्या लोके नयनमथते पादतुलसी परिध्राणे ध्राणं श्रवणमपि ते चारुचरिते. O Lord, remove my affliction so that my feet may find delight in going on pilgrimage to thy temples, my hands in worshipping thee, my eyes in viewing thy image, my organ of smell in breathing the fragrance of the tulasi leaves offered at thy feet, and my ears in hearing narrations of thy charming deeds and excellences. प्रभूता दिव्याधि प्रसभचलिते मामकहृदि त्वदीयं तदरूपं परमसुख चिदरूपमुदयात् उद्धच्छतरो माचो गलितबहुर्हर्षाश्रुणिवहो यथा विस्म्यार्सं दुरुपशं पीडापरिभवान्. In my mind, that is, extremely agitated by worries and disease, may the vision of thy entrancing form of pure bliss consciousness arise, so that, with thrills all over my body and tears flowing in profusion, owing to that marvelous experience, I may become completely oblivious to my endless woes. मरुद्गेहादीश त्वयि खलु पराञ्चोऽपि सुखिनो भवत्स्नेही सोऽहं सुबहु परितप्ये च किमिदम् अकीर्तिस्ते मा भूदवरद गद्भारं प्रशमयनं भवद्भक्तो तंसं झटिति कुरु मां कंसदमन. O Lord of the abode of winds, Guruvayur, even men who are indifferent to thee are seen to lead a happy life. But I, a devotee of thine, am undergoing various sufferings. Why this anomaly, O bestower of boons? Won't this tarnish thy reputation? Therefore, O slayer of Kamsa, eradicate my disease and enable me to be the best of thy devotees. किमुक्तै भूर्योभिस्तव हि करुणायावदुदियादहं तावद्देव प्रहितविविधार्थप्रलपितः पुरः कृप्ते पादे वरद तव नेशयामि दिवसान् यथाशक्ति व्यक्तं नतिनुति निषेवा विरचयन. O bestower of boons, of what avail is mere talk? Until thy grace descends on me, I shall, in place of bemoaning my fate, spend my days before this image, thy manifested form, devoting my time to prostrating before thee, singing thy praise, and performing thy service to the best of my ability. So the Canto 3 is finished. I'll be joining you with the Canto 4 in the next week. Namaskaram.